What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to Painfully Honest Advice. So here we go. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to make $100 a day. Now here's the thing. I love talking about passive income and making money. These are going to be very practical ways that you can go ahead and make $100 a day. I use all of these ways myself. I love to go ahead and diversify my income. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys 6 ways to go ahead and make $100 per day. So I will say, if you are about passive income or going ahead and diversifying your income so you have multiple ways to go ahead and make money, stay tuned for this video. Now, if you are new to this channel, guys, I do focus on topics around business, stocks, finance, you name it, anything to do with making money. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel down below. And guys, if you don't mind smashing that like button, as it really does help get this video in front of more people. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first way is going to be one of my favorite ways, and that's going to be by investing in dividend growth stocks. Now, here's the thing. I love investing in the stock market, and actually, it's one of the easiest ways to go ahead and make passive income. By investing in dividend growth stocks, you actually make money from the growth in the company when you go ahead and invest in a company that pays out dividends. Plus, dividends are basically another way to go ahead and generate income. So you make money when these companies pay you out as part of their earnings in dividends. Now, with dividend growth stocks, I have multiple videos on my channel about stocks that I like to go ahead and invest in. I recently made a video of the 5 dividend growth stocks that I'm basically going to be investing in this next year. And this is a great way to go ahead and earn money passively, because companies go ahead and pay you out dividends either on a monthly, quarterly, or annual basis. So just by investing in, let's say, a company like an Apple, you go ahead and make money through the growth in that stock. Plus, when this company goes and pays out their dividends on a quarterly basis, you're making additional income that way. This is one of my favorite ways to go ahead and make passive income, and this is probably the easiest way. Now, the biggest hurdle with this is because dividends go ahead and take time. Because when you go ahead and start off by investing, you can go ahead and start off very easily by just investing $5. But the thing is, as your money goes ahead and grows over time, and it goes ahead and compounds over time, that's how you actually start making money. So the earlier you start investing in this type of strategy and in dividend growth stocks, the more income that you'll just build over time. Now, I have a bucket list portfolio, and within my portfolio, I do focus on a dividend growth strategy. So this is one way that I like to go ahead and build passive income. But now the next way is actually going to be a fun one. And this is a hobby that I took on quite young, and that's going to be by having collectibles. Now, when I talk about collectibles, it could basically be anything. You could be collecting sneakers, you could be collecting Pokemon cards, Yu-Gi-Oh cards, or Funko Pops. I basically have a lot of Funko Pops behind me, and some of these are worth up to $1,500. So I love collecting different things. I used to collect Pokemon cards. Unfortunately, can't find them anymore, but I'm still looking for those. So as soon as I find them, I'll go ahead and share them with you guys. But I do have Yu-Gi-Oh cards that I collect. I do have Funko Pops that I collect, and there's many ways to go ahead and make money by collecting different things. If you go ahead and buy something today at market value, and let's say a year from now that goes up, you can go ahead and sell that on Craigslist, on eBay, or on different sites out there. Also, guys, this is just another fun way to go ahead and collect something that you're actually very interested in. I have friends that collect sneakers. I mean, Jordans go for a couple $1,000s. It just depends on what you really want to go ahead and collect. These are just some of the things that I can think of from the top of my mind. Now, that's going to be the second one. So let's go ahead and jump into the third one. The third one is going to be another way that I like to go ahead and invest. But this is going to be investing in real estate. And I know what you're probably thinking. It takes a lot of money to go ahead and buy a property. But the way that I'm going to go ahead and show you guys is going to be with Fundrise. Now, Fundrise is an app that I personally use. Now, with Fundrise, you actually can go ahead and invest in real estate. And it's as simple as just downloading their app. Now, I will leave a link down in the description if you are interested in Fundrise. But guys, this is one of the easiest ways to go ahead and invest in real estate. And by investing with Fundrise, what they basically do is they go ahead and pull your money together, and they go ahead and invest it in commercial properties or big apartment complexes. So when those properties go ahead and pay rent, you go ahead and get that rent payment as a dividend. So with Fundrise, you can actually start investing a lot lower. I believe right now to go ahead and invest with Fundrise, you do need $500 to go ahead and get started with an account with them. but over time, as you build this account, you're earning dividends. So this is a great way to go ahead and build additional passive income. Plus, if we go ahead and look at the performance of Fundrise, they are paying anywhere between 9 to 12% if we just look at the historical performance. So this is a very practical way and an easy way to go ahead and invest and actually earn a very decent return. Because if we look at the stock market, on average, stock market usually grows by about 8%. But with Fundrise, I believe it to be a little bit less risky because you're actually investing in actual real estate. And now if we go ahead and jump into the fourth way to go ahead and make $100 a day, this is going to be another very practical one that does not actually take a lot of money. But this is going to be what you guys are watching me on right now, and that's going to be with YouTube. Now here's the thing with YouTube, there's a lot of YouTubers that are making easily over $100 a day. This is something that actually does not take a lot of money up front. If you want to go ahead and get started on YouTube, you literally can record a video on your phone and go ahead and put it up on YouTube. And once you go ahead and get monetized through YouTube, right now the requirements to get monetized is 1,000 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. But once you go ahead and get monetized, you can actually go ahead and put ads in your videos, and once people watch your videos, you actually go ahead and get paid. Now I like YouTube because this is another way to go ahead and learn more about a topic that you may be interested in. I've been watching YouTube for over 10 years, and I wish I actually started recording videos a lot earlier, but now on this journey I've been recording videos for over 1 year at this point, and I will say this is one easy way to go ahead and generate additional income. It's not the easiest up front because it does take getting out of your comfort zone to go ahead and just start recording. But I'll tell you guys, there's so many videos on YouTube on how to get started and start making videos. So I would personally recommend this as another way to go ahead and build $100 in income a day. Now this is actually going to take me into my fifth way as well, which is going to be by having a side hustle. Now YouTube could be one of those side hustles, but when I'm talking about side hustles, I'm actually talking about maybe getting a second job or creating like an e-commerce site. Now there's many different ways to go ahead and earn money through a side hustle. It could be just by having a product that you're selling. It could be by doing a service. It could be by freelance work. There's many websites out there like Upwork, like Fiverr, or like 99 Design. These are some of the websites that I've actually used in the past. So if you are a graphic designer, or if you have any type of trade, or let's say that you even want to go ahead and create thumbnails for YouTubers out there, there's basically a freelancer for everything at this point. So it's a great way to go ahead and have additional side income coming in. So I like this because I'm all about doing side hustles and anything that can go ahead and generate you more money. Plus, I will say, guys, the more incomes you have, the better it actually is over time, because now you got money coming in from multiple different areas. In case something were to happen, you still have income coming in. And now the last way, or the sixth way here, is going to be by paying off debt. Now here's the thing. The way I go ahead and look at this is, let's say that you have credit card debt, student loan debt, whatever type of debt it may be, or you have a car and you have payments on that car. By looking at the interest rate that you're paying on that debt. Now, credit cards is probably the worst one because credit card debt, you're paying about 20% or higher just in interest. If you actually do the math on that, let's say that you owe a credit card company $1,000 and you're paying a company 20% in interest. Every single year on that $1,000, you're paying about $200 in debt. Now that's just $1,000 in debt. And when I talk about 20%, that's probably like some of the lowest credit cards out there, because a lot of credit cards charge up to 30%, if not more than that, just on their interest rate and just on the APR. So the way I like to go ahead and look at this is by paying off this debt, you're actually saving money. So in return, if you have a lot of debt out there, by paying off that debt, you could easily be making over $100 just because now you're not paying somebody for that debt and you're not making those payments in interest. So by clearing off that debt, you actually probably could be saving a lot more than that. But this is another way to actually go ahead and make money. And now you're out of debt and you can go ahead and start making more money by investing in some of these other ways as well. But guys, hopefully this video helped. These are basically 6 ways that I like to go ahead and look at making additional money. And this is all very practical. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like videos around the stock market, investing, business, anything to do with making money, I'm all about diversifying my income and sharing it with you guys on this channel. So if you're interested in this topic, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. But thank you guys again for watching this video. I am going to go ahead and share with you guys an affiliate link for Weibo, which is basically an easy way to go ahead and get some free stocks. Weibo is currently offering a promotion where you actually get 4 free stocks to sign up with them and deposit at least $100 in your account. A great way to have some free money. But thanks guys, I will see you guys at the next one.